Okay, today we got a Commando 3 stacker. This uses the Capcom loom. So faults with it were bad sync from this chip here and a burnt out resistor. The resistor's fitted underneath. Bad RAM replaced. Top board okay. Bottom board was too bad. 2 114s. Okay, let's just clear this up a bit and I'll fire it on. I hate 3 stackers unless they're iron. Okay, I think that's okay. I think let's go. Oh wait. Let's go. Yep, not much demo loop. This is about as old as I go, man. Let's fire up, fire credit in. There we go, absolute classic.